Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can create a business Pinterest account. So first of all, you probably will want to create a regular one, just sign up for Pinterest, then open your profile by going into the saved section of the app. Whether this is desktop or mobile version doesn't really matter at this point. Then go into settings by tapping at these three dots to your top right. Onwards, go for the account management category, and in here you'll find the convert to business account option which you want to go for. Then tap at the convert account, then type in your brand name, so I'll name myself HardReset.Info. Enter your website if there is any. Describe your business, choose some categories from this list. So I'll go with let's say publisher or media. And then decide whether you are going to be interested somewhere in the future or maybe even at the current moment in running ads on Pinterest. So I'll go with I'm not sure yet option. Here is a little introduction that the Pinterest provides you with in terms of business account. And well, that will be pretty much it, guys. That's how you can create a business account on Pinterest, or to put it in other words, to make a business account out of a regular personal page on Pinterest as well. Alrighty, so that will be definitely it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.